Today we are going to study about partial differential equation. First, before that we should know about what is partial differentiation. Okay. Suppose z is a function of x and y. That is x comma y. Okay. Here you can observe that z depend on two variables. Example, z is equal to x square plus xy plus y square. Okay. In such cases, we will not do ordinary differentiation. Y is equal to x square means we will do dy by dx is equal to 2x because y depend on single independent variable. In such cases, we will do ordinary differentiation, that is dy by dx. When a function depend on more than one variable, then the differentiation is partial differentiation. The rule of partial differentiation is when you differentiate with respect to one variable, we should treat other variable as constant. We should treat other variables as constant. That is, in this example, dou z by dou x. You can observe this is d by dx. It is dou. Okay, this is partial differentiation representation. Dou z by dou x is equal to x square. Differentiation is 2x plus. Here product of x and y is there. Both are independent variable. When you differentiate with respect to x means we should treat y as constant. Treating y as constant. That's what y. X differentiation is 1 plus y square. Y square is completely constant term. It is not product of x term. That's what constant differentiation is 0. Same way dou z by dou y. Okay. The z differentiation partially with respect to y. So now we should treat x as constant. That is the rule of partial differentiation. Now x square is constant plus. So here which is constant? X is constant. Y differentiation with respect to y is 1 plus y square differentiation is 2y. Okay. This is called partial differentiation. Okay. Now we are going to study partial differential equation. An equation which involves dependent variable and its derivatives with respect to two or more independent variable is known as partial differential equation. Okay. An equation which involves dependent variable and its derivatives with respect to two or more independent variable is known as partial differential equation. In this chapter, the problems are formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constant. Okay. Formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constant. Example, z is equal to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square, where a and b are arbitrary constant. Where a and b are arbitrary constant. Okay. We should eliminate a and b and we should form partial differential equation. Okay. So before that we should know some standard notations that are dou z is a function of xy, z is a function of x and y, then dou z by dou x, it is represented by p, small letter p, dou z by dou y is represented by q, dou square z by dou x square is r, dou square z by dou x into dou y is equal to s, and dou square z by dou y square is t. These are some standard notation in partial differential equation. Dou z by dou x is p, dou z by dou y is equal to q, dou square z by dou x square represented by r, small letter r, dou square z by dou x dou y. Otherwise we know that there is a property mixed derivative, zxy is equal to zyx. That is understood dou square z by dou x into dou y is equal to dou square z by dou y into dou x. Both are equal. So this is represented, we can represent it by zxy. It is represented by small letter s. Then second derivative of z partially with respect to y represented by t. By using this representation, we should terminate arbitrary constant. Okay. Now, in an equation, the given function is there are two arbitrary constants that are a and b. Okay. when the function having only two arbitrary constant means only first order partial derivatives are sufficient. So here dou z by dou x. So differentiating partially with respect to x. Okay, differentiating partially with respect to x. So dou z by dou x is equal to, with respect to x, so 2 of x minus a into x differentiation is 1 plus b is already constant, arbitrary constant. Now from the rule of partial differentiation, when you differentiate z partially with respect to x, we should treat y as constant. That's what y minus b whole square is constant. So it is 0. Again differentiating partially with respect to y. Okay, I'll call this as 1. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y. So it is dou z by dou y is equal to, see, dou z by dou y means treating x as constant. So x constant, a is arbitrary constant. Complete this first term is constant. Constant differentiation with respect to y is 0 plus y minus b whole square is 2 of y minus b. Y differentiation is 1. Okay. So here we have to take dou z by dou y means it is q. Dou z by dou x means it is p. Okay. Now we'll substitute p and q in equation 1, in the given equation 1. That's what from equation 2 and 3 I'll rearrange. Equation 2, from the equation 2 I'll take x minus a is equal to p by 2. Have you cleared this? P is equal to 2 of x minus a. So x minus a is equal to p by 2. Similarly y minus b. Y minus b is equal to q by 2. Now I'll substitute these two in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes z is equal to x minus a is p by 2, okay, whole square, plus y minus b. Y minus b means q, that is q by 2 whole square. So z is equal to p square by 4 plus q square by 4. Otherwise 4z is equal to p square plus q square. So now we can observe that arbitrary constant a and b are terminated. This is the required partial differential equation. Okay, let's solve one more problem. 2z is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square, where a and b are arbitrary constant. Okay, so I'll call this as equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. Okay, with respect to x means treating y as constant. 2 into z means dou z by dou x. Okay, is equal to 1 by a square is constant. X square differentiation is 2x plus b1 by b square constant. Along with that, from the rule y square is constant. So second term completely 0. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Dou z by dou x means it is p. P is equal to x by a square. Okay, p is equal to x by a square. From this I can extract the value a square. A square means x by p. Okay. Similarly, again differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y means treating x as constant. So 2 into dou z by dou y is equal to x square and a square both are constant 0 plus 1 by b square constant. Y square differentiation is 2y. Okay, now 2 get cancelled. Dou z by dou y means q. Q is equal to y by b square. Otherwise b square is equal to y by q. So from this, by using these two datas in the equation 1, therefore equation 1 becomes, say, 2z is equal to, what is a square? X square divided by a square is x divided by p plus the y square divided by denominator is y divided by q. Now denominators x and numerator x, one get term get cancelled, and finally 2z is equal to xp plus yq. This is the required solution for the given problem. In these two problems, we can observe that there are two arbitrary constants. So first order partial derivatives are sufficient. that is dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y. Only by using these two only we can find the solution for this. Similarly, next problem, when arbitrary constant more than 2. Okay, 3 arbitrary constant means how can we solve? Let's do the next problem. In this problem, x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1, where a, b, c are arbitrary constant. We should remove this a square, b square and c square. So for that, when you are having more than 2, we have to find out second order partial derivative. Second order means dou square z by dou x square. That is r, dou square z by dou x into dou y, yes, and dou square z by dou y square, that is t. That is, we have to find out and we have to rearrange. Okay, so now come to the problem. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. Okay, so 1 by a square, x square differentiation is 2x plus y square by b square. Differentiating with respect to x means other independent variable is constant. So this is 0 plus z square 1 by c square. Z square means 2z into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. Here you should not put for z square. You should not take that as constant. Z is dependent variable. It is a function of, z is function of x and y. Okay, z is dependent variable. That's what I want to write. You should not write z is 0. Only for y I have considered treating y as constant, not z as constant. Okay. Now I will do the substitution. See, 2x by a square plus 1 by c square 2z, dou z by dou x means p is equal to 0. Okay. Next. So here I can, taking common factor 2, I can eliminate 2x by a square is equal to minus zp by c square. Okay. Again differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to x. Okay, x by a square, 1 by a square, x differentiation is 1. Then plus 1 by c square, z into p. We can observe that p means what? P means dou z by dou x. Okay, z is a function of x and y. That's what here we have to apply product rule. Okay, z into p means what? Dou z by dou x. So it is dou square z by dou x square plus p. Otherwise you can write dou p by dou x, that is also okay. P into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. Okay, equation 2. Now 1 by a square plus 1 by c square of z into dou square z by dou x square means it is represented by r plus p into dou z by dou x means one more p. Okay, is equal to 0. So 1 by, actually we have to terminate the arbitrary constant a square c square, still not yet terminated. By doing substitution we have to terminate. So you can observe here 1 by a square. From this equation I can take 1 by a square is equal to, by taking x in the denominator, minus zp by x into c square. Now I will substitute instead of 1 by a square, minus zp by x c square plus 1 by c square of zr plus p square equal to 0. Here both the term is having 1 by c square, 1 by c square common. So I will take 1 by c square outside. So zp by x plus zr plus p square is equal to 0. 1 by c square cross multiplied and c square get terminated. So you are having the result zp by x. Here negative is here. So otherwise we can shift right side. Zp by x is equal to zr plus pz. Otherwise zp is equal to x of zr plus pz. This is the required solution. In case it is not able to terminate in this step also, means we have to come with the next dou z by dou y, dou square z by dou y square, and just by comparing we have to terminate the arbitrary constant. This is the way of solving formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. Thank you.